QZ Max. It's making this clicking sound. Right, 400. So change it to 200. Still makes that weird noise, fan noise.